So in this video, we will take a look at this portable speaker from Infinity. So watch the full video and I will tell you everything about it. So I bought this tiny speaker after watching lot of reviews, and after using it for more than a week, I have noticed so many things which most of the reviewers didn't tell. So before I start, if you are new here and you end up liking the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give some feedback. So first, let's see what we get in the box. So the speaker arrived in this yellow box. On the side, it has some details about the speaker and some more details here. And here's an QR code which you can scan to register for warranty. Okay, now let's open the box. So this is something which you can attach to your speaker. I don't know what it's called. Next, there is a micro USB cable to charge the speaker. And now here's the speaker itself. Let's keep it aside for now. And yep, it also comes with everybody's favorite manual. Now let's get back to the speaker. And we will remove the wrapper. And the speaker feels very good because of the soft fabric. And this is a mic and some branding here. On the back there's an I/O compartment which has a micro USB and an aux port. On the top you will see 4 buttons with basic functionalities, and you will have to long press this button in the center to turn this on or off.
Powering on. Powering off.
So that's the overview of the speaker. Now let me talk about all the things which I noticed after using it for more than a week. Let's start with the charging time. Although the speaker has small 750 mAh of battery, it takes around 2.5 hours to fully recharge the speaker, which is very long time. And after it being fully charged, this speaker is capable to give up to 6 or 7 hours of playback time with around 50% volume in normal mode. But in deep bass mode, the playback time decreased to around 4 hours. And this speaker comes with Bluetooth 4.2 and the pairing process is very easy. And the connection stays strong even when you are in different room. And while watching movie or any YouTube video, there's slight latency. It is not too much, so you probably won't notice it. And it also has TWS feature, so if you have 2 of these, you can pair them and enjoy stereo sound. It also comes with built-in mic, so I tried taking calls on this and the call quality is decent. And you have to be near the speaker for taking calls, or the person on the other side will not be able to hear you clearly. And this speaker is IPX7 certified, so you won't have to worry about normal water splashes or using it in rain. Now let's talk about the most important thing about this speaker. And this speaker sounds very good for its size. So I tried listening to all types of songs on this speaker, and this speaker comes with 4.5 watts of driver and dual EQ option, normal mode and deep bass. In normal mode, the overall sound signature is pretty much natural and well balanced. You will notice good clarity in mids and highs, and this produces the same good quality audio until you go as high as 75% volume. At higher volumes, the speaker sound distorting and overall sound quality degrades. And if you want more bass, you can turn on the deep bass mode. And in this mode, even though the size of the speaker is very small, it produces very good bass. But also other frequencies get muffled in the deep bass mode. You probably won't notice it at lower volumes, but it becomes more noticeable when you go for more than 60% volume. The sound quality takes a hit, it becomes distorted, and even the bass will not be clear. But you probably won't need to go for higher volumes because this speaker is made for small room and around 50% of volume is loud enough to enjoy the music. But if you want to have a party with your Bluetooth speaker, this is not for you. And also another thing I noticed about the speaker is that it doesn't have a good grip on the surface. So if you place it on the table and play with deep bass mode, there are chances that it might actually fall off the table. So yes, if you are looking for the portable speaker around 1500 rupees, this is a very good option to consider. So that's all about Infinity Fuse 100. Thumbs up if you liked the video or thumbs down if you didn't. And let me know about your opinion in the comment section, or feel free to ask any question. And there is a sound test for you after this. I know it won't be accurate, but it will give you the idea of overall sound signature. Thanks, I will see you in the next video. Stay home, stay safe.
Deep bass. Normal. Deep bass. Normal.